otieko limbe margi e piny Uganda, kuma gisebedo ka girangoe kaka sekta mar limbe ma e pinyno chalo.
Apisa mar mbetre ma Uganda e boma ma Mombasa, Paul Mukumbia, wacho ni lalruok e kind pinje ariyogo en manyo yore mag tego sekta mar limbe.
Owacho ni owinjore winjruok ma otegno bedie e kind pinje Afrika ma ugwe mar neno ni sekta mar limbe obedo motegno.
Wachno osir gi jakom riwruok mar jota sekta mar limbe Kenya Coast Tourism Association, Victor Shitaka.
In our concept, we had talked about the unique experiences that each one of the two countries or destinations doesn't have. So for the Kenya coast, they don't have the mountain gorillas that we in Uganda have. So that was really one of our main products that we wanted to sell to the Kenya coast. And oh my God, it was quite an experience, not just looking at the mountain gorillas, but the process of getting there, the trekking was quite an experience and quite exciting.
Have seen our cousins, just a few meters next to us, and I have a lot of stories to tell my people back home, and I would like to market this destination because there are so many people who would need or would want to have such an experience.
I saw a family of gorillas, and then I saw the male, the silverback. It's an exciting experience. And not only the gorillas, just the whole, the forest, the trackers who took us there also. It's a whole package. From the beginning at the base to come here, the trackers have been with you, they've guided you.